Environmental issues are high on the agenda for most companies, with businesses working towards efficient and economical solutions for energy use. With ever-tightening legislation, heating, ventilation and air conditioning company Daikin UK aims to offer the best support to companies to make sure they are using the most energy-efficient solutions to minimise the environmental impact of our buildings. Carolyn Sim found out more.
In today's buildings, climate control is essential. Technology has made new air conditioning systems more effective and environmentally friendly. But many buildings still use older systems which run on a refrigerant called R22.
R22 is a type of refrigerant used in most air conditioning systems from the 1970s to 2003. When it's released into the air, it contributes to the depletion of the ozone. That's why from January 2015 it's banned, and building managers need to act now as that deadline approaches.
In effect, if your system breaks down after January 2015, you could end up without any heating or cooling in your building because the refrigerant will be taken out, the system will be taken out of service. And that's the bottom line.
But Daikin says it has a solution. Its VRV heat recovery system integrates heating, air conditioning, hot water and refrigeration. It saves energy, reduces carbon emissions by around 30% and ultimately saves money. At this Grade 2 listed building, the VRV system was installed in phases, causing minimal disruption to the business.
Our energy bills, depending on the month, are somewhere between 23 and 26% lower than for the same period last year when we hadn't changed the system.
Room by room or floor by floor, you can actually design, install the particular system whilst making sure all the other system will continue to operate. And due to the modular build, you can actually add various different elements like hot water, the ventilation, and integrate that afterwards.
And building managers can take control of Daikin's centralised system, monitoring room temperature and optimising heating and ventilation. By investing in new energy-efficient systems, Daikin believes companies will make huge savings in the long term. Theirs, they say, is a solution which no building manager can afford to ignore.